Welcome to our first show of the new year. Hi, I'm Debbie. Starting us off tonight, Artiste of the Year. Who took the crown in 2025? ER hitting the street for some feedback.
Right now, Skipper take the lead and Skipper healing. You see me? That's on the tough.
Alabas take it, man. Badness up good.
Control by Family, and Family are probably my top artists in a day for this year.
So the artist of the year for me was Valiant, Red Light District. That song they did bad, man.
Massacre. I'm a subtle undercover cartel fan, but one artist that has become one of my favorite is King. I just love his performance. I love how he performs. He's always entertaining.
Skipper healing, it touched me. Really sit down and listen to it. There's not that much bad words in it, so you can play for the kids as well.
You know, Vibes Cartel, God is the greatest. You know, cause without God is nothing. So you know, a Vibes Cartel. Different, they have some other artists that do something, you know, but that man, they will come from prison and make the world look like, say, yo, dance and live, did go on and they make it go on again and come again. Vibes Cartel, God is the greatest.
Well, today is a new day. Give thanks a lot.
Skipper, Current.
Credit Low, girl from Brooklyn.
I don't really know the song still, but I just know Massacre still, you know. Because I'm a real good still. In a Jamaica, you know. I don't talk world. In a Jamaica, Massacre.
Far me I come from, Cartel. That may look funny, because he find it, when he come out, he go on good. And he get a great hit. And he do some great things for Jamaica too.
Was 2025 a good year for you?
Yeah man, I'm an artist myself too, you know. I'm in College Japanka, you know. And me sing Rise Up, you know. So now I'm going to hear about my song next year when it comes. And I say, rise up, open your eyes up, try realize up, and recognize up, upliftment with love.
I'm full of optimism about the 2026. Everything will be more amplified.
How was 2025 for you? And do you think 2026 will be better? I'm going up, them say things will be better, but I'm not seeing things getting better, it's getting harder. And things is going up higher.
This year could have been better, and 2026 will be greater.
Nice. And do you think that Jamaica itself is heading in the right direction?
To some extent. The older generation need to get themselves together. So some things really need to change.
So there were highs and there were lows, but being me, I tend to look on the highs more and improve on them for 2026. I am committing to be more consistent to the things that will improve me greatly and holistically.
It really was a rough year, you know, because one Melissa Sheep, we don't know, Gilbert or little brother or father or whatever, but you come take a whole heap of something, man. It's rough, but you have it tough. For the year we never get last year, make it happen this year, we are come. Happy New Year.
Crocodile badness of it on la.
I don't know what Alkaline, I don't know about Tamili, I don't know them, I know Beanie Man and Bunty Gila, Buju Bantan.
Skipper, some Carol made, and I like listening to him.
Sparta, he might talk, but I can't get to understand what definitely I say. You get me? So I'm more give Massacre because him sound more unique.
Vibes Cartel, man. What due to Caesar, you have to get Caesar, is it?
They child on the school still.
Gaza, him up still, you know, but a Massacre right now. Him lyrics different still, you know, him pattern, him style different. Just like everything where him come with in the music, you know what I mean? Cause him flow different.
I don't know if you get Cartel or if you get Family, because the two of them are compete, we don't see nobody else. No, because Gaza is now and forevermore. 1 second, don't move. Gaza forever.
One side, Cartel now run nowhere, bro.
A Skipper mad up the place right now, you know. Oh God, from the man come out of prison, that's a gang the man, so. One Gaza, I don't know if you know, no plaza here.
Yeah, I know.
Come out of prison, mash up the world, and still I do it. And him have the biggest tune for the year. God is the greatest. Well, today is my new day. Give thanks alive.
Cartel know ya. What that Cartel for go on, man, move for me, man.
What artist of the year?
Gaza to the world. Brother, we can't about to talk around them in the 10L. I'm never want this them. One Cartel.
Oh, no, do I kill mosquito when them bites with?
It's scratch enough.
Itch, scratch, pitch, punch.
One side to the land side. Mastica, arrive.
Yeah. Them up about mosquito.
One side to the land side. Answer my artist, I know you can't answer him.
Fine to no system.
Cartel, because of his impact globally since his release, you know, him really bring back dancehall to the forefront. However, Massacre, it's one top of hits for the year, so definitely. Some would have put a tie between Cartel and Massacre.
What is your song of the year?
Easily, Whites. But that's tell Whites, though, like, yo, for the clash, for that whole, I think Cartel and Movado actually set the bar so high. None of these new artists are able to reach it, and for one reason. Them a try be too personal with the war.
Melon, eat a fruit, get a youth. People, me not tell a lie, me a talk the truth.
Because of the constant work I put out, and not just the constant clarity. You know what I mean? When I say clarity, I mean lyrically, content, good. You know what I mean? And he might bring something to the table where no one ever expect. I mean, like he might try to take down the big giant. You know what I mean? Never try to take down the big giant. Right now, the big giant needs to step up in pace and show him face. Because Massacre lead right now. No joke. I'm out.
Massacre the biggest thing right now. In the year. Remember I'm tell you that. Massacre myself straight up.
No, you don't know, so Skipper just tough in every video when he get in a mess it up and beating. So I want Skipper. Massacre. Him upgrade to him that come from his eat and the song them more hot and have more flavor, you see me? I mean, nothing stop you. Determination is the most. You see, music cute, it elevate my talk, my mind, it uplift me in so much way. I want to say thank you, blessed love, Anna. Massacre for me.
How was 2025 for you overall?
For me, I want to say honestly, it's actually been a learning experience, to be honest with you. 2025 come with a lot of challenges, but the truth about it, the lessons that we learn from 2025, it actually elevates your mind, evolve your thought into actually want to do better for 2026 and even beyond.
Yes, I can achieve anything with the right plan. There's no fear.